Imagine buying Amazon stock the week it went public and then watching it 10 times your money. Now, ask yourself, is SpaceX the next one? Because right now, SPCX, SpaceX's ticker on the NASDAQ, is doing something that Wall Street hasn't seen in years. It debuted at $135 per share on June 12th, 2026, and within just 3 trading days, it rocketed to an intraday high of $225. That's a nearly 67% surge in 3 days. So the question that every investor in America is asking right now is this just hype? Or is SpaceX stock about to go even higher? Stick around, because we're breaking down the bull case, the bear case, and what analysts are actually saying, so you can make a smarter decision. On June 12th, 2026, SpaceX went public on the NASDAQ under the ticker SPCX, and it wasn't just any IPO. This was the largest IPO in history, raising more than $30 billion and blowing past Saudi Aramco's record from 2019. On day one, shares jumped nearly 20%, closing at $161. By Tuesday, June 16th, the stock was trading around $201 to $202 per share, giving SpaceX a market cap of approximately $2.6 to $2.8 trillion. To put that in perspective, that valuation already puts SpaceX above Amazon and Meta. Elon Musk himself posted on X that SpaceX might hit $1 trillion in revenue by 2030, up from $18.7 billion in 2025. Ambitious? Absolutely, but that vision is exactly what's driving retail and institutional investors into a buying frenzy. So why is everyone so excited? Let me give you the 3 biggest drivers. Number 1, Starlink. This is SpaceX's satellite internet service, and it's the only segment of the company that is currently profitable. With millions of subscribers globally and growing government contracts, Starlink is a cash machine that Wall Street believes has barely scratched the surface. Number 2, Starship, the world's most powerful rocket. If SpaceX successfully commercializes Starship for deep space missions, lunar contracts, and even point-to-point travel on Earth, the revenue potential is almost limitless. Number 3, AI. In February 2026, Musk merged SpaceX with his AI startup xAI. The company is now building AI compute infrastructure in space. That's a story investors are pricing in at a massive premium. Add to this a fast-track inclusion into 401k retirement accounts, and you have millions of everyday Americans piling into this stock whether they researched it or not. Now, let me be real with you. Not everyone is bullish. CFRA Research actually initiated coverage with a sell rating and a 12-month price target of just $115, which would represent a nearly 29% drop from where the stock closed last week. Here's why the skeptics are worried. SpaceX reported a net loss of $4.9 billion in 2025, despite pulling in $18.7 billion in revenue. In just the first quarter of 2026 alone, the loss was already $4.28 billion. That means the company is burning cash fast while investing heavily into AI infrastructure, Starship development, and satellite expansion. The question is, will those bets pay off before the stock runs out of momentum? Former NASDAQ CEO Robert Greifeld put it bluntly, SpaceX is trading not on fundamentals but on the aspiration of what's possible. And Wall Street consensus right now? The average analyst price target sits around $164, which is actually below where the stock is trading today. Here's the honest answer. Nobody knows for certain, but here's how to think about it. Analyst targets range from a low of $63 all the way up to $227. The stock is already flirting with that upper ceiling at around $201. If you're a long-term investor, 5 to 10 years, and you believe Starlink, Starship, and SpaceX's AI ambitions will deliver, then a small position in SPCX could make sense as a high-risk, high-reward bet. But if you're hoping to flip this for a quick profit, that's where it gets risky. Post-IPO euphoria can reverse hard and fast. Remember, even Amazon's stock dropped over 90% after the dot-com bubble before it became the giant it is today. Big visions often come with brutal pullbacks first. So here's my takeaway. SpaceX is a once-in-a-generation company with a vision that most stocks can't compete with. But the valuation right now? It's pricing in perfection. Do your own research, don't invest money you can't afford to lose, and make sure SpaceX fits your financial goals, not someone else's FOMO. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for weekly breakdowns of the hottest stocks and IPOs in the market. Drop a comment below. Are you buying SPCX and you're waiting for a dip? I'll see you in the next one.